हरि ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेशप्रथमभागस्य 25तमे कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। अत्र चतुर्थः प्रयोगः, चतुर्थीविभक्तिः कुत्र भवति इत्यत्र चतुर्थः प्रयोगः भवति रोचते प्रयोगे चतुर्थीविभक्तिः भवति। अत्र प्रथमः प्रयोगः दाने समर्पणे, द्वितीयः प्रयोगः तादर्थ्ये, तृतीयः प्रयोगः नमः प्रयोगे, चतुर्थः प्रयोगः रोचते प्रयोगे। अत्र रोचते इति पृथक् क्रियापदं भवति, तस्य अर्थः इच्छति तादृशमेव भवति। सो रोचते मीन्स् डिसैर्स् आर् लैकिङ्ग्। ओके, इच्छति तादृश समान अर्थः भवति। यत्र रोचते क्रियापदस्य प्रयोगः भवति तत्र चतुर्थीविभक्तिः भवति इति ज्ञेयम्। उदाहरणं वयम् एकवारं पश्यामः। बालकाय मधुरं रोचते। सो बाय् लैक्स् स्वीट्। यदि इच्छति क्रियापदं प्रयुज्महे तत्र बालकः मधुरम् इच्छति. So that's the actual word with इच्छति, actual sentence with इच्छति. But when you use रोचते, to whom the desire is there, that person or object will become the chaturthi. Hatra boy has that desire for the sweet, so the boy gets the chaturthi form. So balakaya madhuram rochate. And in the actual sentence, if we see balakaha madhuram ichchati, the actually boy likes it. Actually that boy is representing the chaturthi, and what he likes, and the madhuram, that becomes the karta in this rochate when used. Okay, if you are not sure about what is karta and other things, what he likes, that object or person will be represented in the prathama vibhakti here. So balakaya madhuram rochate. So here madhuram is in the prathama vibhakti. That's because madhuram is the karta and balaka is having that desire, so he gets the chaturthi. And why this happens? That's because there is a rochate kriya padam. So that's the understanding we need to get. And similarly, what is this rochate? Is this a kriya padam? Yes, it is a kriya padam. We have not come across this form actually. This is the there are two kriya padams generally you can see. I mean two forms of kriya padam. One is the parasmay padam and atmane padam. So far whatever we have learned, all the kriya padams like gachati, vadati, patati, likhati, all of them, they end with ti suffix. Okay, they are all called as parasmaypada kriyapadams, and there are certain kriyapadams they end with te, like example rochate or vardhate, vartate, spardhate, and so on. Okay, so whatever ends with te, they are all atmanepada kriyapadams, and they have different forms like a patati, patataha, patanti. They also have different forms actually. Rochate, rochete, rochante, and it goes on actually. Okay, but that is not in our syllabus for Bhasha Pravesha Bhaga 1. So it is in the Bhasha Pravesha level 2. Okay, so for now, we just need to know Rochate belongs to Atmanepadi, and it has different forms like Patati, Patata, Patanti. Okay, so in that way, it's better always to use in singular to be in safer side for now. So Balakaya Madhuram Rochate, that means boy likes the sweet. And let us see some other example now. Krishnaya bhaktihi rochate. So Krishnaha bhaktim ichchati. He likes the devotion. So Krishnaya bhaktihi rochate with rochate. And shrotre gitani rochante. So this is example for plural. So again, shrota gitani Shrota Gitani Ichchati is the actual word, and when you translate with Rochate, it becomes Shrotre. For Shrotra or Shrotru Pratipadikam, the Chaturthi form is Shrotre. Shrotre Gitani Rochante. As Gitani is the Prathama Bhakti, of course, the Kriya Padam always follows the Prathama Bhakti, so it becomes Rochante in plural. So Shrotre Gitani Rochante. So hope it is clear. Let us actually stop here. We'll have a very short Q&A here actually. If there are any questions, we can get clarified. And similarly, you can try to make some sentences with rochate if possible. Try to use always singular. Yeah.
Mahyam amrapalam rochate. I like mangoes.
Harivom namo namaha. Parasmipadi, this one is that balikaha nrityam ichanti. That here, this Chaturthi Vibhakti, if it comes balika pihi nrityam rochate, is it correct? Rochante.
Balikabhyah nrityam rochate.
Balikabhyah nrityam rochante. Dhanyawad.
Rochate.
Oh, rochate only. Suppose it is
nrityam is ekavachanam.
Rochate is the ekavachanam. So it should be only rochate.
Yeah. Because nrityam is in the Prathama Bhakti, so based on the nrityam vachanam, the rochate vachanam will change. Yeah, we can move on. Harivom.
Shishave Kridanakam rochate. The toy is liked by the baby.
Okay, the translation should be in the active sentence. The baby likes the
baby
toy.
Likes it.
That's the actual. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
मह्यं गीताश्लोकाः रोचन्ते.
सम्यक्.
This I have this doubt. Balakaya madhuram rochate. That means, how do we translate? The sweet is desired by the boy, is it?
No, it's active sentence.
Active only, but then balakaya. So how do we translate? There is no such.
No, balakaya madhuram rochate means boy likes the sweet. That's it.
Anujaya sangeetam rochate. Younger person likes
the music. Okay, sangeetam astu.
Pitre Geetam rochate. Father likes song.
Mahyam mama nagaram rochate.
Meaning?
I like my city.
Samyak.
Mahyam madhurani rochate. I like sweets. And then
Madhurani rochante samyak.
Is it right?
Yeah, right.
Then Mata Putram rochate. Is it right?
No.
Mother likes her son.
Yeah, okay, now we can translate with rochate.
Mata Putram rochate.
No. Matre putraha rochate.
Oh, correct.
Hari Om Mahoday. Prashna, Balakaya Chaturthi Vibhakti means the Balakasya Krute, right? The Balakasya Krute Madhuram Rochate means sentence is not making that.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Balakaya Chaturthi Vibhakti means is a Balakasya Krute, right?
Yes.
So in that case, like a Balakasya Krute Madhuram Rochate, if we can convert that way, it is not giving the meaning. Balakasya Krute means for them we are bringing something, or for them we are doing something, right?
It is not like that. Actually, Balakasya Krite is an alternative form for Chaturthi. It still expresses the same meaning. Boy likes the Madhuram. So, Balakasya Krite Madhuram Rochate and Balakaya Madhuram Rochate, both are the same.
Okay, thank you. Matre Sangeetam Rochate.
Samyak.
Krishnaya Navanitam Dadi Kshiram Cha Rochante.
Samyak.
Is it correct? And rochate. No.
No, can you repeat it again? Your audio was breaking.
Mahyam Srimad Bhagavata Patanam rochate.
Samyak.
Balakebhyah कन्दुकानि रोचन्ते.
सम्यक्.
Boys likes balls.
Yeah, boys like balls. उत्तमम्.
संस्कृत अभ्यासः अहं रोचते.
मह्यं संस्कृत अभ्यासः रोचते. मह्यं संस्कृत अभ्यासः रोचते.
अयोध्याभ्यः प्रजाभ्यः रामराज्यं रोचते. The people of Ayodhya like Ramarajyam.
Can you repeat the first word, actually, Ayodhya word again?
Ayodhyabhyah, or it should be Ayodhyayai. I thought Ayodhyabhyah Prajabhyah Ramarajyam rochate.
No, that is not correct. Actually, Ayodhya becomes Visheshanam for Praja. That is not Visheshanam. So Ayodhyayaha Prajabhyah.
Oh, okay. Ayodhyayah. Okay. So only sixth thing. Okay. Ayodhyayah Prajabhyah Ramarajyam rochate. Okay. Okay. Anjaneyaya Ramam rochate or Ramah rochate. How it will come?
Ramah rochate. Pradhama.
Ramah rochate, right? Anjaneya will like Rama. Then Chatraya
likes the Rama.
Likes Rama. Chatraya Guru rochate. The disciple likes the teacher.
Samyak. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If you have any queries or if you want to interact with the teachers or students, please log into forum.sanskrit.today. You can also join our Telegram group. You can find the link for the Telegram group in the course page. And please subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people. And if you have any suggestions, feedback or queries about this session or series, you can paste them on the comment section. And finally click on the like button. Dhanyavadaha. Let's meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.